All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Zonza. Oh, Nomoya Precious Zonza, my surname. I know a lot of you guys think Zonza is my name, but yeah, it's actually my surname. I'm Precious. From John Thompson. I would like to take this opportunity and thank my big boss and all the John Thompson leaders that I'm seeing here today. It's been such an amazing opportunity, I must say. I've learned a lot. For those that I work with, Wesley know, I haven't been able to stand in front of people and be this person, this Zonza that's standing in front of you guys. So I've learned a lot, especially about self-awareness. But one thing that stood out for me, I think, is the feedback issue that I'm taking back to say I haven't been receiving a lot of feedbacks from my leaders at work. So I think that's one thing I'm going to ask from now on. I'm going to demand it, unfortunately, as to how am I doing, because I've been doing things. I've seen with this course that some of the things that I've been doing, I've actually been assuming I was not doing according to how I'm supposed to do. Therefore, I would really like to say thank you to John Thompson and Danielia. Thank you so much. And the rest of the team, I thank you guys for the support.